Hi there, this is Andrea Beasley. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I wanted to show you the new exclusive all-together suite that Stampin' Up! Has just released. This is the stamp set. It's called Here Together, and it is a red rubber set with these dies that match, and it is a set of 5 dies, Here For You dies, that coordinate with the stamp set. I put mine on a magnet sheet, but there's Here For You, You Matter, and then the hands with the heart, and then the hands with the pinky together. So it will cut out these 2 images. There's exclusive 6x6 DSP that also goes with this suite. The All Together collection is available for order right now through May 2nd or until while supplies last. It also is debuting the new Natural Tones Stampin' Blends, the alcohol markers. These will be in the new annual catalog that's coming out in June. However, the rest of the suite, the paper, the dies, and the stamp set is while supplies last. So I will have all of this up on my, I'll be sending it in an email, I'll be posting it on social media, and I'll have it up on my blog. But I wanted to show you a little bit about the blends. I have this chart, and I'll be emailing out this chart, and they're natural tones, so they're made to be used for coloring hands and people and skin tones. And so I'm really excited to play with this and learn how to use these. The blends have numbers, so they are numbered from 100 to 1,000, from the deep tones to the lighter tones. In this chart, I will be showing you how to color it in, so that you can see when you're matching up, when you're coloring in your images of people and you're trying to match up different skin tones, you can see how your markers work together. So make sure I'm in the picture here. So we'll start over here is where I left off. So 300, which should be this one. Okay. So we have 300, and I'm going to color over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to color in 300, and then I need 100. So it says SU 100, 300, and a 100, and it shows how those look blended together. The next number would be 300. I'll take my 300 again, and 200. Double check that I'm doing the right number. So the next one would be 300 and 300. So it would be 300, 300. This next column is 300 on the left and 400. I'm going to blend it on the right. $300 and 500. 300 and 600. So you see how these markers are made with alcohol, and you can see them start to blend together. And this just shows how you can mix the skin tones for whatever images you're coloring in. So that was 300. This is 800. $300, 900, and because this 1,000 is super light, I'm gonna use that one first, and then I'll blend in the darker color. So there is that. I'm gonna put this back. This is 300, which goes right there. So that kind of shows you, starting with 100 all the way to 1,000 on both sides, how the colors blend together. You can download this chart and color in your natural tones and make your own chart. I'll have it available. Again, I'll send it in an email, and I'll have it available in my on my blog at stampwebcreates.com. If you have any questions about this suite or anything about the blends, please let me know. I encourage you to try the blends, even if it's not the natural tones. Our blends come in most of our colors. So if you have a favorite color or a couple of colors, try out the blends and see how you like it. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.